All right, you guys, and we made it back to the crib. Today was Macy's for the win. Like I was telling y'all, I was gonna try to grab as many of these Ralph Lauren motorsport pieces as I can to pair them up. Let me show you guys what we ended up grabbing. This was another piece that I ended up grabbing out of Macy's right here. Like I telling y'all, this motorsport line is like becoming probably my favorite. Right here on the sleeves, as you can see, y'all can see, it says Ralph Lauren Racing. If I can get that out for you all, you can see right here. Nothing on the back of the shirt right here. And it also says, yeah, 67 Ralph Lauren right here on this sleeve. Yeah, and this came out to be a total of 146. I think I got it with a coupon. Maybe like a 10 to 15% coupon off made it maybe like 130-ish, 129 or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, this is definitely another piece that I thought was hard right here. I'm gonna try to grab as many of these pieces that I was telling you guys. So let me try this on so you guys can see how it looks. And this is the try on. I was gonna say final try on, but this is the try on. Like I say, once again, love the emblem on the sleeves right here. Polo Motorsport. This joint right here is crazy. Show you guys the back of it. And this is a regular fit, so this is a large on me. You can go true to size, and this is a regular fit, not a slim fit, crew neck at all. So definitely love the fit on it. Dope. Y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think they have a green one as well. I didn't want to show the green. I may purchase it just to show it, but I didn't because I knew I wanted this one over that one. So show it to you guys one more time. So let me show you guys what sneakers we will be pairing up with this fit. And for my sneakerheads, you guys know what this box is. A few things came in this box, but this is a vintage Air Jordan box right here. These are the Air Jordan. Well, let me just show them to y'all. These are the Air Jordan Bread 11s. This right here is probably my favorite Air Jordan all time. The high top, actually. It was like I got a beef with this shoe though. I had tore my Achilles in this sneaker playing basketball some years back, but I actually tore it in the high top. So I definitely had to snatch back, come back around and grab this low top sneaker. So it's kind of like a bittersweet with these shoes. But this right here is my favorite Air Jordan all time. But the Jordan Low, the Jordan Bread 11. But with the high top, I'll take the lows though for the summertime or whatever. But just let you guys see, this is definitely what we'll be pairing up with this. Probably with a pair of black cargos or some jeans, depending on how the day looking. And y'all comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all rocking with these Air Jordans, 11 lows, the bread ones. Y'all let me know if y'all rocking with Air Jordan 11s, period. Comment down below. I know some people don't really like them because they say the fit of them. And if you don't know these sneakers right here, it's best to go up a size. I'm a 9.5 regular, but I went up a 10 in these just to get that extra comfort because across the toe right here, it's a little tight. Yeah, with the padded leather, get a little tight on your toe right there. So if you can, I mean, that's just me. You don't have to go up half a size in these. And once again, man, I'd like to say thank y'all once again for tuning in to your boy, checking me out, man. We'll be dropping another banger right after this. Y'all comment down below. Let me know everything y'all see in the video. If you like, let me know if you like this hoodie right here. This crew neck sweater right here. So used to wearing hoodies, I call everything a hoodie. So like I told you, every time I probably see like a Ralph Lauren motorsport piece, I'll probably just grab it and just bring it to the channel. But like I said, man, thank y'all once again for checking your boy out. If you haven't already, sub to the channel, like the video so we can get back into the algorithm, go crazy. Like I say, the goal for the year is 10,000. Thank y'all. To the next video.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just want